dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy. So let's start today our computer subject, and today we are going to learn lesson number 4 MS Paint part 3 of it. So today how to draw curve shape. So from the drawing curves we are going to take curve tool. This is the second number picture you are seeing, curve tool. Then when you select this curve tool, your line is also given what type of thickness you want for the curve shape and which color you want to do. In that color also you are going to select from the color plate. And in the drawing area you just draw a line with the help of mouse, and little bit when you drag down your mouse, then you will able to see the curve shape in the drawing area. So here it is given a note for you. As you drag the mouse, the curve will appear on the line. And your question is also for you. Which of the following images are closed image? Means it is closed, you can feel color, and color is not, and color doesn't come out from the shape. So this is the half picture, this is the full picture. Okay, so full drawing. So this one is also circle, triangle and square are the full drawing. In that you can feel color, so they are known as closed images. Next page, drawing an oval shape. So how to draw an oval shape? So same process. Near the curve shape there is an oval shape. Select that, thickness of the line, color you want, so that you are selecting. And in the drawing area, when you click with the mouse, a shape of the oval you can see. Here it is going to drag the mouse in the drawing area. Means in this drawing area, when you drag the mouse, shape of the oval you can make a bigger. Okay, so this is the oval shape, and you can make your own shape of the oval this way, and you can make pictures also. And next thing, as you drag the mouse, an oval shape will appear on the screen. And one more thing, to draw a circle, what you need to do? To draw a circle, keep the shift key pressed with the drawing an oval. You are drawing an oval, okay, with the mouse, and press the shift key, then you will able to draw circle. So from the oval shape you can do circle also, but you need to press shift key from the keyboard. Now in the next shape we are going to see on page 45, drawing other shapes. You can take other shapes also. Beside the basic shapes, some other shapes such as diamond, pentagon, arrows, call out and stars, etc. can be drawn. So here are the few pictures given on page number 45 of your textbook. Diamond shape, okay, pentagon, 5 side, rounded rectangle, triangle, right triangle, heart shape, lightning and hexagon. Hexagon, from this, if you are not able to remember which is pentagon, which is hexagon, pentagon 5 line, hexagon 6 line, 1 2 3 4 5 6 line. And here are the few shapes, ready-made shapes from the shapes tool also. You can select from here also. And now drawing arrows. The 4 type of arrows can be drawn by selecting the arrow shapes from the shapes toolbox. See, here is the toolbox, and shapes are also here of arrow, so you can select that also. Okay, right side arrow, left side, up side and down side. Same process. From the, you are going to select this the shapes. We are getting ready-made shapes, so from that shape of the tools you can take these shapes also. Now on page number 46, drawing call out shapes. So how to draw call out shapes? Simple thing, from the ready-made shapes also you can take these shapes. So for that, the call out shapes can be drawn by selecting the call out tools from the shape toolbox. So here are the call out shapes. You can select from here. Select any call out tool to draw call out shapes like this. So here are the few examples from the rectangle, oval shape and something, zigzag, oval shape also you can say, round small it is given. As you are thinking something, this type of shapes are there. And next is drawing stars. How to draw stars? The different type of stars can be drawn by selecting the stars tool. So here are the different stars. You can say 4-side star it is, and here it is given 5 sides, and here it is given 6 side. Okay, pointed 6 side. So 4, 5 and 6 pointed type stars you can select. So any star tool draws stars like shapes. So these are the star shapes. Okay students, so today we are going to learn only this much, how to draw shapes from the shapes tools. You can select from there, and a few shapes like curve, oval and rectangle you can drag more, and you can do another shape also by selecting it and pressing the shift key from the keyboard. Thank you students, have a nice day.